Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify consistent cover image style in WordPress, full guide step by step clearly. To verify consistent cover image style in WordPress, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the Appearance section in the left sidebar. Click on Customize to enter the theme customizer. In the customizer, look for Site Identity or Header Settings, depending on your theme. Check the option for a cover image or header image style. Take note of the recommended dimensions for cover images specified by your theme. Next, exit the customizer and go to the media library. Review the existing images to ensure they align with the recommended dimensions. If necessary, edit or crop images to fit the required aspect ratio using an image editor. Once your images are prepared, go back to the customizer. Select the section for cover images or featured images. Upload or select your images from the media library. Ensure that all selected images are uniform in style, color, and composition. Use the preview feature to check how the images appear across different devices. Make adjustments as needed to maintain a consistent look and feel. After finalizing your selections, click the Publish button to save the changes. Finally, visit your website to view the cover images in action and confirm consistency. Adjust any images on the live site if necessary to ensure everything looks cohesive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.